what if in Urdhva Hastasana, this pose here, you can't keep your arms straight, right? So when you lift them up, maybe they look a little something like this. Okay, if this is the case for you, first thing I recommend is separate your legs a little bit, okay? If you're standing with your feet together, give yourself a little bit of space, okay? Space, funny enough, is often the answer. So you're gonna start with a little bit of space between your legs, but then when you raise your arms up, also give yourself space, right? Take your arms wider. How wide do your arms need to be in order to have those arms completely straight, right? So instead of like this, open up. If as soon as you start to bring them closer, they bend, right? You want to find where is your edge there that you can keep those arms straight, and then work with that for a while. It's a moving target. It will change as you work into the stiffness of your upper back, right? We're all stiff in the upper back. As you get into that area, things will change. So find it and keep checking in with yourself. When you take your arms up, look up and see, are my arms straight? If they're bent, go wider, okay? That's principle number one to work with if you're looking to straighten your arms. Now, the other thing you can do is you can add a strap, okay? So with your strap, figure out here how wide are you gonna work with your arms, and then place the strap on your wrists. I recommend taking the tail, the extra there, off to the side so that when you raise your arms up, it doesn't hit you in the face, okay? And then hit out against the strap and raise your arms up. Hit out and lift. And you may find that with the resistance of your wrists against the strap, as you press out and lift, that you can actually keep your arms straighter, a little more narrow than you could without the strap. Okay, so those are two ways that you can work on straightening your arms. Both are effective, both are instructive, and I encourage you to try them both out.